Welcome back to our channel. Angklung is a traditional musical instrument originating from Indonesia made of bamboo. Tubes that are tuned to different pitches and played by shaking or striking them. It is closely associated with the Sundanese people of West Java and has been an important part of their cultural heritage. Let's explore the history and significance of the angklung in detail while noting some of its key aspects and development over time, as well as modern applications, origins, and cultural significance. Historical roots. The angklung is believed to date back several centuries, with some forms of bamboo musical instruments appearing as early as the 12th century. It is traditionally associated with agricultural rituals and celebrations where it was used to invoke blessings from the spirits for a good harvest. Design and construction. The angklung consists of tubes made from bamboo of varying lengths, each producing a different musical note. The tubes are mounted on a frame made of bamboo or wood, which lends itself to its characteristic sound when shaken. The construction of an angklung involves precise craftsmanship, ensuring each tube is cut to specific lengths. Cultural expressions. The angklung is played in various traditional ceremonies, including weddings, cultural festivals, and communal gatherings. It serves not only as a musical instrument but also as a means of community participation and expression. The act of playing the angklung often involves coordinated group performances, reinforcing social bonds and cooperation. Development through the ages. Song and dance integration. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, angklung music evolved to include melodic structures that allowed for the integration of song and dance. This period saw the angklung being performed alongside traditional Sundanese dances, enhancing its role in cultural festivities. Colonial impact. The Dutch colonization of Indonesia influenced the development and spread of angklung music. The introduction of Western musical styles and instruments led to a fusion of techniques, resulting in the emergence of contemporary angklung music that incorporated various genres like pop and jazz. International recognition. By the mid-20th century, the angklung began to receive international attention. Efforts to preserve and promote this cultural treasure led to its inclusion in various global music festivals. The angklung was also recognized by UNESCO, which designated it as an intangible cultural heritage in 2010, acknowledging its significance in Indonesian culture and its contributions to global cultural diversity. Modern applications, education, and community engagement. In recent years, angklung has been integrated into educational programs both in Indonesia and abroad. Schools and community organizations use the instrument to teach music, promote teamwork, and foster cross-cultural understanding among youth. Angklung as a symbol of unity. In contemporary settings, the angklung has become a symbol of unity and national identity. It is often played in national events, and community groups use it to promote cultural pride and awareness. Global influence. The popularity of the angklung has expanded internationally, with workshops and performances being held across the globe. Various organizations teach people from different cultural backgrounds how to play the instrument, fostering appreciation for Indonesian culture worldwide. Conclusion. The angklung serves as a vibrant testament to Indonesia's rich cultural heritage, from its historical roots rooted in agrarian rituals to its modern adaptations in education and global music scenes. The angklung represents not just musical creativity but also the enduring bonds within communities as it continues to evolve while preserving its traditional essence. The angklung remains a beloved instrument that resonates with the spirit of togetherness and joy. This overview captures the essence and historical development of the angklung, reflecting its significance in Indonesian culture and its journey into the global arena. If you seek specific details or aspects of angklung, let me know. Thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.